What's good, your boy Brandon. Today I'm just going to be making a video me playing with my dog Pete. Just to let you guys know it's on regular camera, so it don't take 5 minutes just to fuck edit. It just takes like, I'm going to try to find a new video edit just like it so I can edit my videos even over 5 fucking minutes. So, guess what I'm going to do today? Play with my dog Pete. That's going to be the one thing we're going to do today. Set it right there by the post, make sure it gets balanced, and then I unpause it. Yeah, it felt like 2 times when I tried making this video, so I'm gonna try to keep it low on the low, Kiko. So, see you guys there. But I'll watch the video later. Okay, so we're right here. So I can't see, so I will see like later on. We're gonna try to do some tricks with my dog. Let's see. Petey, come over here. Petey. Petey. Wait 1 second. I'll be right back with him. Alright, so we got him in. Oh, sorry. I got a stick. Come on, Petey. Alright, yeah. Pete, come here. Come here, Pete. He won't let go! Good boy. Petey! So you want to tackle? He loves a stick. You guys, he loves any stick. Watch this, Petey. Petey. Want this? Let's get him boarded. Hold up. There's no dog in the stick. Okay? Okay? He's not doing what I wanted to do. He's not doing what I wanted to do. But why? Like, you're not still bit clear. Yo. Wow. What, Dad, for y'all? It's going like... What? Hey! Come on! Petey, guess what I got? Petey! Petey, you scared to be in front of the camera? Here, Petey. Is that? You monkey. No. Hey. Look at it, boy. Look at it. You see that? This is how you walk the dog. With a stick. So the next thing I want to do with y'all is kind of complicated. So, Petey, come here. Petey! Oh, fuck. Hold up. Basically, I'm telling my dog what they're doing. What is going to happen here, you see this big-ass tree right here. I'm going to wrap around, you're going to go to the other end. Try to mastermind it. So, we're trying to do this. This humongous tree. So I can hold it. It's in my hand. You don't believe me? Look. Yeah, listen. But he's on the. Oh, yeah. Whatever. Keep cool. Beep. Come on, Petey. Petey. Hold up, guys. Alright, so it looks like I probably got him. So, let's do this. He's right here. Come on, Petey. Find me, Petey. Petey. Come on, Petey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Petey, find me? Petey. Petey. Come here. Come here, boy. Here, Petey. Petey. Right here. Here, boy. Come here. Come here, Petey. Come here. Right here, tail. Come on, Petey. Come on, Petey. Come on. Come on, Dad. Alright, so I'm getting out the video here. Failing, wait. There he's up, bruh. So you guys think underdog keep walking around and not playful. Not very much. Let's just do this some other way. And stay tuned. If you like this, press the like button, of course. If you comment down below what you think. You say I need to get that dog a bone. I'm gonna get that dog a bone. Hey, supporter. I'm out.